Alright guys, so today, on my fly2, I'm going to be doing a wheel conversion or wheel repair. So let's get started, okay? And I'm going to show you basically how to do that. And yes, my Skyfly is a little banged up. I'm getting new parts. I had to reinstall a whole entire new gyro system or aileron system for my back rudder. Okay, so we have, one second, let's grab, okay, I'm going to set up the new wheels. We have these, the old, stock wheels for the Skyfly 2. Now let's set this down here, okay, and what we're going to be doing is taking a new set of wheels, which are hard plastic, and putting them on the Skyfly 2. What would you call it? The place where you put the wheels. The landing gear. Okay, and basically what you need to do is obviously get two plastic wheels and get a screw. This is the best way I found out how to do this. Basically take a screw, right, and get your drill. Get your drill, and screw the screw through the normal hole to make it a little bit wider, because the Skyfly 2 has a wide bar to put the wheels onto, and they have to fit. I'm gonna have mine a little extra wide. I don't know if it really matters, but I just want to have the hole for the where the landing gear goes through a little bit wider. Okay, and I'm going to grab a pair of pliers that actually fit. I'm going to use, okay, here we go. What we're going to use is this little thing. This, or should I say little, actually big. We're going to use this system right here. Let me just make it bigger. One sec. I gotta make it big enough so it holds the wheel actually inside while I screw the screw through. So this will be a second. Okay. Let's place the wheel in. Okay. The wheel is not in yet. Okay, there we go. Wheel is in. Okay, so we have the wheel. And let's tighten this up. Okay. Whoop, there it goes. I'm going to try and make this easy. Okay, there. So the wheel is in. And take your screw, and you know what to do from here. Put it into the hole. And it's going to be okay, now reverse it. There you go. You have the screw obviously through, and let's see which one we want to take it out. There we go. Got it out, and there is your basic hole for your wheel. And obviously what you would do is do it to the next wheel, so let's do that. Put it into this thing I've never used for this. So basically we're going to call this modding the Skyfly 2 wheels. Okay, here we go. And don't ask me why I just didn't buy new landing gear, because I didn't really want to. So I just found that this was a little bit easier. There we go. Okay. What we're going to do is hold it. Slowly take it out. There we go. And once again, you got your simple holes through the wheels. I don't know if you can see that. Woo! You you got your holes through the wheels. And this is, I'm gonna get this off. This is probably the simplest thing you want to do without spending as much money as you want. Even though it's only like $9, $10, I still didn't feel like paying for that. So let's grab the Skyfly and put these new wheels on and see what happens after I get this plastic piece off. There we go. Okay. See if it fits. We have a winner. Nice. Okay, let's put it on the other side. I guess this was plenty big enough for the Skyfly. Okay, let's put the end cap on this one. Screw it on. Okay, there we go. Nice. Yeah, that's a lot simpler than I thought it would be. Sorry I'm not paying attention to you guys that well right now. I'm trying to find a bolt to put on the other end. But let's test it out, okay? So let's turn the transmitter on. Okay. Got the green light. No, we don't need this piece on for the time being. So we're going to turn this on. Okay. Let's put this right here. Let's take it out into the hallway. Okay, let me grab the camera. Here we go. As you can see, I whacked my my wing up, and I was flying, and I was coming for a landing, and it went into a bounce, and just basically rolled from there on, and it flipped. There goes the wheel, because I don't know where the bearing is. 1 second. Here we go. Okay, let's go and grab the remote. And I'll show you everything I had to rebuild also. Have the remote. Okay. Okay. So what happened on my nosedive crash that basically tore up the whole entire plane? I had to rebuild all the internals. Okay, so in there, where you can see the gyro system, around this area where it controls the servos for the rudder up and down, that completely snapped all inside, so I had to reconnect all the wires in. So, and then I had to re-hot glue and buy new wires for this whole entire servo, buy a new battery cord, snapped. So, yeah, let's see if these wheels hold up. So what you have to do for the Skyfly is it has a safety mechanism on it for the propeller. So you go up once, wait until that blinks, down, and there you go. Let's see. Where can I'll just basically, I'll hold you here. Ah, there goes the wheel. There we go. So Skyfly 2 wheels converted from stock wheels to plastic wheels. Peace. Check on my other videos. See ya.